Hello everyone and welcome back to Silver IT. In today's video, we will learn how to configure EtherChannel using the Cisco port aggregation protocol. So this protocol has different modes that we can use to form the EtherChannel port. So we will see all of them. So before proceeding, we need to make sure that our interfaces has the same VLAN, duplex, and speed configuration. So we have the defaults, so they are all the same. So we shouldn't have any problem here. Okay, so let's make our port channels. So let's create the first group, which is with gigabit 11 and 12. So let's make a range 11, 2, 12. Now we use the command channel group, in this case 1, and the mode that we're going to use in this link is desirable in one end. In this case, in switch 1, I'm going to use the desirable mode. And now let's go to our port 1. That would be our port channel 1. And in here, I'm going to encapsulate because I'm using a layer 3 switch. Now let's make it a trunk link. Perfect. So we have VLAN 10, 20, and 30. I didn't create any native VLAN, so we're going to use the default one. And now let's go to switch 3. So here we're going to use basically the same configuration, range, right? Channel group 1. So I use the desirable mode in switch 1, and in switch 3, I'm going to use the auto mode. Perfect. So now let's go to our port channel 1, right? And let's encapsulate it. VLAN 10, 20, and 30. So now we go and to show either channel summary, to show either channel summary. We can see here that we have our bundled in port channel, and here we have the port channel is in layer 2 in use. So this is configured correctly. So it should be the same here to show either channel summary, either channel, right? See, sorry, my bad. To show either channel summary. So it's here. And we can see that we are good. So now let's go to our switch 1 and let's configure our group number 2. So that would be interface 00 to 0 to, in this case, to 0, 1 is a range. Great. And here we're going to use group 2, and in this end we're going to use the auto, right? Interface port 2, right? Switch port trunk encapsulation W1Q for mode trunk, allow VLAN 10, 20, and 30. Great. So now let's go to switch 2, right? And perfect. So let's make sure. Here we can see that there is a problem. So this is okay, so my bad again. So in this case, right, we have only 2 interfaces, not 3. So okay, so let's form the port channel group. In this case is 2 modes. So in switch 1 we use the auto mode, And in switch 2, we're going to use the desirable mode, right? So perfect. Interface pole 2, switch port trunk encapsulation the 1Q, switch port mode trunk, switch port trunk allow VLAN 10, 20, and 30. So if we do a do show either channel summary, we should see here that our port channel is bundle, and it should be the same here. Perfect. So we are good there. So now let's go to the switch 2 and let's configure our third port channel. Interface range gigabit. In this case, it would be from 02 to 03. Channel group, this case 3 modes. So we already used the auto mode and the desirable interchangeably. Now we're going to use the mode on, or the static one. So this doesn't basically belong to the port aggregation protocol. This case would be on interface pole 3. Now let's go to switch 3. This case 2 to 3. Channel group 3 mode on in both end, right? Switch port trunk encapsulation the 1Q, switch port mode trunk, right? So if I do a do show either channel summary, okay, so here I can see that is formed. So here, as we can see, we are not using the port aggregation protocol. So in this case, the mode on, this is the static way and doesn't use the port aggregation protocol. So this is the expected information that we should see here. So now let's make sure to show either channel summary, and we are good here too. Now let's go to switch 3. Let's form the last port channel interface range from 0, 0 to 0, 1. Right? Channel group, in this case, is the number 4 modes. So in this end, we're going to use the desirable mode. So basically it's the same configuration. Now here, channel group 4 mode desirable. So here in the group 1, we use desirable auto, that is one way to make it, and the channel 2 we use auto with desirable, right? That will be interchangeably. Now here we're using desirable and desirable in both ends. And if we do and to show either channel summary, we can see that our port channel is in bundle. Let's go here to show either channel summary. So here we have 3 port channel, right? Port channel 1, 3, and 4. So, and this is how we use the port aggregation protocol and its different modes. So we can use the desirable plus the auto mode, or auto mode plus desirable. We can use in both end desirable, and we can use the static one, which doesn't use the protocol aggregation protocol, on in both ends. So if you have any question, if you have any doubt, please leave it below in the comments. Don't forget to support this channel by subscribing and sharing this content. So I'll see you in the next video.